Helene, I want you to take the time to click on subscription buttons and then also the notification to get a notification when we have lesson posted on the page. Now this is a question that we need to solve, and the question is calculate the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient for A and B and approximate your answer to 2 decimal place of the question above. Now, the first thing as a student to know is that you first have to know the formula for the Spearman's rank correlation. And the formula is given by the ranking is given by 1 minus 6 summation of the difference square all over n into bracket n squared minus 1. When you're able to note this, then you are good to go on your ranking. Now let's do the ranking. Now in the ranking, the only thing that you have to draw is a table. So we have a table. Table A contains 2.50, 2.35, 3.20, 3 point another 20, 1.62. Let's rank this particular element. We have 5 items under A. So we are going to consider the top from 4. We have 5 items. So the highest value is 3.2 and then another 3.2. Because they are similar, you simply have to share the position. And so this will take 4.5. So the ranking of A, 4.5 and then 4.5. Then from there, you go to the next position, which is 2.5, which is the third. Then we move to 2.0. Then the last one is 1.0. So I guess that this is where some of the students have challenged. They end up giving 5 to each of the common values in the table, and that's not done. Now let's move to the second value, which is B. Under the B, we have 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1, 2, 6, and then 1, 1, 0. Now among these also, let's do the ranking. Ranking of B. We are going to have from the top, the highest. And this one, the highest value here is the 126. So it takes number 5. And then the next one is 4 position, which is 126. Now the next one is 115. Let's take the third position. Now the first and the second position is taken by these two, so we need to share among them 1.5, the 1.5. From there, we now have to find the difference. It means that the difference of the ranking A and then ranking B. It means that you are going to subtract 1.5 from 3.0. That is rank A minus rank B. And when you subtract this, you are going to end up getting 1.5. And then when you subtract 4.0 from 2.0, you're going to get negative 2.0. Then 3.0 from 4.5, you are going to get 1.5. Then 5 from 4.5, you are going to get negative 0.5. And then similarly, 1.5 from 1, you're also going to get negative 0.5. Now from here, we need to have our square. So let me clean this side. So d squared. So let's say the ranking 1 minus. So that's the formula here. Now the d squared. The d squared, it means that you're going to square each of the d. When you square 1.5, you are going to get 2.25. You square negative 2, you're going to get 4.0. You square 1.5, you're going to get 2.25. You square negative 0.5, you're going to get 0.25. And similarly, 0.25. Let's have the sum, because in the question or the formula, we are having summation of the d. So when you add all these values, you are supposed to get 9.0. Now from here, we cannot do substitution into the formula. So from there, we have the ranking 1 minus 6, summation of d squared is 9, all over n. N stands for the number of elements. So each element are having 5. So 5. Please don't forget, don't have the division affecting the 1. So you have 1 here over n, which is 5 into bracket 5 squared minus 1. So from here, you are going to have 1 minus 6 times 9 will give you 54 over 5 into bracket 5 squared minus 1. 5 squared is going to give you 25 minus 1, which is 24. And 5 times 24 will give you 120. And simplifying, you are going to get 1 minus 54 divided by 120. I think it's going to give you 0.45. So 0.45. And when you subtract 0.45 from 1, you're going to get 0.55. In this case, what type of correlation do we have? This correlation is moderate correlation. Correlation. That is it. Please subscribe and let's continue learning more. Have a nice day.